Today is going to be a really quick sheet pan dinner. I'm going to do another one real soon too, so you'll get a couple of different ideas. What I was looking for was some different vegetable options to go with what I was doing with the sheet pan dinners. I love doing these because they're real quick and it doesn't take a bunch of fancy stuff to do it. This one is going to just be asparagus and chicken, and I bought, let me try to see here. I bought 2 pounds of asparagus from Aldi's, and we chopped the ends of them off, you know, just about 1 inch or so on the end of the asparagus, because that's a little bit too woody for, you know, it's gonna not soften. So you want to try to do that. It's about that much. Anyway. So we did that. We got this set over on our sprayed sheet pan, and I took some chicken legs and I marinated them in a marinade I made all by myself. And you can do it too. It's once you get started kind of making these marinades, it's literally nothing for you to just kind of whip one up. This one was some soy sauce, some lemon juice, a little bit of honey, a little bit of ground ginger, and some garlic. And I think I did put a little bit of salt and pepper in there. And just marinated it for a few hours. And I'm going to put this on here. I really don't want it all to dry out. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take, let me get this cooking spoon and spoon some of this marinade over everything. And put just a little bit on the vegetables. This is going to already cook together, so you don't have to worry about making anybody sick or anything. It's all going to cook together. Put just a tad bit of the juice on there, that way we won't dry out. I think I'm going to go ahead and cover this with foil to help the cooking go a little bit faster. But yeah, that's it. It's real easy and simple. I'm going to do it on 350 because I kind of want it to cook slowly, and I don't want it to, you know, burn or anything like that. So I'm going to cover this with foil. Put it in for 350, and then you take it out when the chicken is done. Alright, see you back here in a few minutes. Okay, everybody. It's out of the oven. It took about 45 minutes at 350. You probably could up it to 375, but I didn't want it to stick or get gummy or anything like that. And it didn't, even though there was no oil in the marinade. It didn't, but you can put a couple tablespoons of olive oil in the marinade if you're concerned about that. I think I'm going to possibly put a little bit of butter on the asparagus when I serve it, and the chicken, maybe a little bit of salt, but I think it's going to be fine. And that is just an easy go-to dinner, and real simple, real good. A marinade that I made myself just right out of the spice cabinet. Okay, y'all, see you next time.